Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. So about the technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this package which I have got delivered today. It's from Amazon, you can see. So this is a very tiny packet and very light in weight. So let's open this up and let's see what's inside of it. Alright, so this is it. It's a very tiny box, you can see, and it's nicely wrapped with this bubble wrap, and it was inside just like this. So the packing is very good. So let's open this thing. Okay. Voila. This is it. It's an air compressor, you can see. It says 250 psi, 300 psi. Well, I bought the 300 psi. Hope this is gonna be 300 psi. It's DC 12 volts. You can see this is the 12 volt car power connector, and that's it. Fast air inflation, tires, toys, sporting goods, etc. And not much, made in China. So let's open this thing. Oh, this is very tiny, man. This thing looks like a toy. Exactly like a toy. Well, I told you, this is 300 psi, 12 volt compressor, 20.7 bar, 2069 kPa. I have no idea what these are. So this is the pressure meter, and this is the air pipe. And this is a 12 volt power connector, as I told you. And what else in the box? These are a few nozzles, you can see three different type of nozzles, so you can connect them here according to your needs. So now I need to find my 12 volt power adapter, and then gonna connect it and gonna try. Well, there is no instruction manual in this thing. Let's see how it works. Alright, so I've got my power adapter. It's a 12 volt adapter, and this one is 5 ampere, you can see. 12 volt 5 ampere. So I guess this is gonna work because this thing is connected to the car battery, which has very high amperage. But let's try this. Alright, so I'm gonna connect the wires here. I'm gonna hold it here. Alright, this thing made a lot of noise. Now let's check the nozzle here. Alright, so as you have seen, this is working fine. Well, as for now, but I'm gonna check it better in detail, and then gonna try to inflate my two-wheeler's tire, and yeah, later I will tell you more about this thing when I inflate my tires and know the details about the meter, how to read that, and all that stuff. So I'll do that later. But that's all for today. Hope you guys are gonna like the video. So hit the like button, just like this. Click this thing, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.